अब स्टार्टिंग यहाँ to otherwise.
नो नो, ये जहाँ से आप थे वहीं से प्रेजेंटेशन बहुत
Shall I start?
स्टार्ट
Okay. Good afternoon, friends. Okay, I am starting from there where I could stop there. I am starting from this engine design. That's before the engine design. I want to start. What you will do after completion of our BTech Automotive Design Engineering, either you will be recruited as a design engineer or research and development engineer. Otherwise, on the assembly side, you are a production engineer. Your design is that you're revising the existing one. Otherwise, you're developing the new engines or new vehicles, something. And research and development is of course always a trusty area, finding solution to the engineering problems and societal problems, starting from your car design to the engine design. And production is that planning and designing a new production processes and where the productivity can be improved and quality can be reached to the high quality. Then being a styling and design, starting a design engineer, you have to start from his freehand sketching to the using of CAD/CAM softwares to design whatever your dream car. Then engine design. See, while you are designing an engine, you should know that what vehicle you are designing. For vehicle, what is the power is requirement. For accordingly, there is a diesel engine required, otherwise the petrol engine is required. If the engine is there, how to analyze this engine as per the performance point of view, emissions point of view. Nowadays, emission standards are very stringent. Accordingly, how to design these aspects also has been covered in the syllabus. Next, chassis design. When it comes to the chassis design, see, generally the big vehicles are used to have a chassis frame on which different components are attached to it. Without body is called as the chassis. Generally, in the cars, what will happen? All components are attached to the car body itself. There is no separate frame available. Where certain weight, based on certain weight, beyond certain weight, the vehicles are provided with the frames. Otherwise, components are connected to the body itself. That's why the chassis design is also most important depending upon the which vehicle you are designing. Then aesthetics, of course, everyone is liking because of the first and foremost important is that look how your car looks like. Because nowadays everyone's main asset is the car, which car stands in front of your gate. That is the most important aspect. That's why aesthetics is the most important aspect being covered. Then interior design, of course, once you enter into your car, it should look like your home. Beyond that, that's why the upholstery, the designing, the everything should come under the interior part. Assembly line means where different components, different vendors they will supply. All these things has to be assembled, starting from powertrain. Powertrain in sense engine to the drivetrain means clutch, suspension, wheels, tires, doors. All these things how to assemble in a sequence has to be maintained. And the sequence has to be maintained by which the productivity of your organization has to be improved. Hence, that assembly line, understanding the assembly line is also important. That's why we are also taking care of the assembly line area. Then aerodynamics design, of course, whatever the engine that you may provide, if your car is not aerodynamically designed, the fuel consumption is very high. That's why one has to see that in addition to the engine performance, one has to see that how your car design is either aerodynamically or not. That aspects also has to be taken care. Then in addition to the four-wheelers, we also come into the two and three-wheelers also. Though it was mentioned in the two-wheelers, we also into two and three-wheelers also. By that, see, of course, in the forthcoming days, in addition to the four-wheelers, the maximum consumption and will be available. Maximum consumption will be the two-wheelers only. Maximum. There is the reason being that because of the traffic. And in addition to this available things, the research and development area also is being considered. I myself involved in some research projects where the students are doing their live projects using of hydrogen in internal combustion engines, especially. There the fuel cell is the hydrogen-based electric car, and the Renault engine which is using for the Formula car. And these in the forthcoming slides we will see what are the different activities taken by those students. By that you can understand the research and development area also. Then different laboratories in the university, especially associated with the automotive design engineering. One is the first is the IC engines laboratory, the left side which I shown you. This is the IC engine laboratory where you can test your engine performance, you can measure the emissions and also analyze the combustion inside the engine, how it is combustion is taking place, that you can see in the live. This is the live project. And the fuels and lubricants testing laboratory. Then automotive chassis laboratory where the skeleton of the vehicle, the anatomy of the vehicle can be shown and functional requirements of each individual component can be tested, seen, and you can visualize those things. Then biofuels production characterization laboratory, because alternative fuels is the big thrust area where different fuels starting from Jatropa, Karanja, different fuels, all fuels can be produced and characterized in this particular laboratories. Machine shop, this is the most important extension of a workshop. Then Bosch Center of Excellence where you can see the work on the pneumatics and hydraulics. Means nowadays the mechanical systems, the effort required by the driver or whoever it may be who is driving the car, is the effort required by the driver should be less enough required. That's why one has to adopt some electronic systems, otherwise pneumatic systems or hydraulic systems. By that the comfort level of the occupants and driver will be improved. That's the reason the Center of Excellence by the Bosch, one of the wonderful laboratory where you can work and you can execute the projects. And the CNC machining laboratories and emission testing and measurement laboratory, means engine emission measurements also can be seen, and computer control machining laboratories. Then material testing laboratory, because whatever the material you are using for the vehicles, does the material is capable enough to take the load or not, can be seen with this left side material testing laboratory. This is called UTM. And next right side one is the fluid mechanics and machineries laboratory where different turbines and all those things which are working with the fluids, especially water and all those things can be understood. See, we are mostly concentrating in the tailpipe exhaust emissions. In addition to that, the tire wear rate is also there. With the tire wear, for a given vehicle, 4 tires, just to imagine how many vehicles are there, including 2-wheelers and 4-wheelers, how many tires are there. These tires are worn out, and worn out emissions are get reacted with ultraviolet rays. This also affects the climatic conditions. It's a very good area. Even that particular emission, non-exhaust emission measurement also can be seen. To the faculty side, wide range of faculty you can see starting from materials, production side, design side, pure mechanical, IC engine side, and as well as core automotive engineering. Then the distinguished visitors are there starting from Honda, then ASME, Suvidha Park, automotive sector Mahindra, NATRIP, which is one of the good R&D sector for the automotive, ICAT. There are different people who visited and addressed the students and participated different activities also. Then comes to the course structure, what you are looking for. We categorize this thing into some mandatory subjects, basic science subjects, basic engineering subjects, program course subjects, open electives, program electives, and industry interactions. See, for example, these subjects we design in such a way that once you completed the degree is equally good enough, and there is no objection to study in abroad also. In abroad means in US or any other place also you can approach the MS program. There is no objection that, because accordingly international levels only we categorized this course structure. When it comes to the mandatory subjects, environmental studies and English communication is the mandatory. Basic science, as we know, in 10+2 mathematics, physics and chemistry, this still there. And basic engineering core, we start with engineering mechanics, where the different starting basics of the mechanics system, and graphics, computer programming, of course, it is everywhere is the minimum tool, basic electronics and civil engineering. Then when it comes to the programming, thermodynamics, strength of materials, and these are the subjects which are mentioned over here on the right side. These are comes under the programming core. Then when it's to automotive side, vehicle technology, where we are dealing with automotive chassis and body engineering, automotive electrical and electronics, vehicle dynamics, the stability of the vehicle, automotive chassis component design, where you can see the different parts. Automotive chassis component, as I told you, it starts from the clutch to the wheels and tires. Clutch, gearbox, propeller shaft, different things available. All those things can be designed. Engine components can be designed. automotive transmission system, especially gearbox design, automotive certification and homologation. Whatever the car which is coming into the market, it has to be tested in the either ARA or the VRD. Those testing procedures has to be taught in this particular automotive certification and homologation. Without of that testing, without of that validation, no vehicle come and ply on the road. That's why that automotive certification homologation is the most important. That's we also dealing with the subject. Then vehicle infotronics. Infotronics deals with the communication, vehicle to vehicle communication, vehicle to the driver communication, from vehicle to the house, home communication. All these things can be seen. Then in the vehicle infotronics point of view, if you want to see, there is a Harman Technologies is there that you can check it out in the internet. Harman Technology. You can from your home, you can operate your lights in your home. From your car, you can operate the home appliances. You can operate the AC. You can operate the cooker. You can operate the refrigerator. Everything that you can operate from your car itself. That is the vehicle infotronics looking into that. Then 2 and 3 wheeler technology. Then mobilities, we have some, as I told you that we are equally, we are taking the pattern of international standards. That's why even international standards, they are also asking us to look into the professional ethics, then sociology, philosophy of science, report writing. All these things also can be taken into the consideration. Then programmabilities, ergonomics and styling. Whenever you are sitting in your car, then you feel comfortable that you can extend your legs. There must be more leg room, more head room, and minimum turning radius the vehicle can take, and your vehicle should be good enough. That's why ergonomics and styling, reverse engineering, robotics, mechatronics. Then automotive HVAC means heating, ventilation, air conditioning, tribology. Facilities planning is useful for the shop floor, transportation design and development. Finite element method is the design tool. Rapid prototyping and manufacturing, production side. CFD, computational fluid dynamics, advanced forming and casting. Then software, we have the ANSYS, Fluent, SolidWorks, AutoCAD, MATLAB, and many more. Then comes to the industrial interaction. See, we offering 4 months internship. In this 4 months internship, the student has to go to the industry where a live project is given to him. He has to complete it and he has to present what all he done in the industry. By that he can understand what all he taught, means learn in the class up to 3rd year. Because this internship will be after 3rd year. What all he learned up to 3rd year, he will implement those things in industrial perspective. Then he will understand what more he has to learn and what he has to be lagging behind. These aspects can be covered with this 4 months internship. By that you can understand the industrial environment also. In addition to that, we have the industrial tour where one can look into the different industries. In addition to this 4 months internship, and we also allowing the students to participate and as well as visit the auto expos. By that different technologies, different vehicles, concept vehicles, that they can look into that. Accordingly they can make up their mind. And some of the laurels, see when automotive design engineering is the passion, people are passionate about, you were looking for the, what you call it as designing of a vehicle, just to see, check it out, the BAHA, though it is mentioned as the BAGA, JA, you have to pronounce it as a BAHA. Okay, this BAHA, formula, student vehicles and all those things is designed and fabricated by our students and participated in different national level events. Okay, this is the BAHA. This BAHA is the all-terrain vehicle. This is the Supra. Supra is a formula car. This is participated in Gurgaon also, Delhi. Then BAHA, another BAHA, 2012. This is FE cycle, is electrical as well as what you call it as Homan power. Both can be looked into this thing. These all vehicles are designed. This is the go-kart. This is the eco car, FE cycle, and in addition to that, go-kart, eco-kart, FE cycle, national car, there are different vehicles are there. All these vehicles, they designed and fabricated by the students under the mentorship of different professors, and they participate in different national events. And one of the recent event is Formula Student London. They clear the virtual round. First there are 2 stages. One is the virtual round, second one is the participation of the car. They got cleared the virtual round. That is the status of the students which are studying there BTech Automotive Design Engineering in UPS. And this is the SI club. SI club means we have the Society of Automotive Engineers College Club is there. there are different professional clubs cricket tournament in which SI club, this is Automotive Engineers Club, got the first prize. Then in North India, this SI College Club of UPS was taken as the best college club. He is the SAE North India section executive director, who is giving the prize to the respective students. Then different events and conventions. The left foremost, the top, Dr. Krishnamurthy Iyer, he is the general manager, is the behavioral training in the Mahindra. Starting to that and UPS car rally, we are organizing different type of events. These are all the different type of events you can see. These are all co-curricular activities, and the Baha vehicle, which in 2010 the students they participated. That vehicle is exhibited in Auto Expo 2010, which was that particular stall was inaugurated by the Vice President Mr. Ravikant of Tata Motors. Then the different design competitions. The students of automotive design engineers, they design their vehicles and they participating in different competitions. Then SANS student convention. This is the first time in North India after the Delhi we have this particular convention. This is the first time. The Vice President of Mr. Savarkar, Mr. Dave, of Vice President of the Maruti, they visited and they blessed the students with their views. Comes to the placement, the more exciting one. We started in 2005, the first batch with 100%, followed by 97, 100, 92, 94, 84. Present is 73. Still it is going on, not yet completed. This is the placement record of this particular thing. Then what are the different companies visited during the these times? 2009, starting from Bajaj to Tata Motors. 2010, Asia Motor Works to the Tata Motors. 2011, Apollo Tyres to TVS. 2012, Caterpillar to Volvo. 13, Bhaskar Genset to Escort. Mahindra 14, Mahindra to Tata Motors. 15, Maruti Suzuki to APAR. Still it is continuing, and I am not closing this session by the APAR, but it is continuing by even 1 or 2 more months. We have still time in this case. Then these are our esteemed recruiters. When you see the growth scenario, then about the automotive sector as I taken into consideration, this automotive sector equally divided into the north, east, west and south. See, means wherever you want to get settled after certain experience, you can settle at the north side or west side or south side, east side. Nothing to worry about it that I am only placed towards one side and not placed on the other side, because this was equally reasonably balanced. This automotive sector was reasonably balanced, hence you need not to worry about it for your settlement in the life. Then growth, if you see in the vehicles, just to see, in 2008, it is 417,000 units. In 2015, it is reaching to 1,420, and expectation by 21, I am talking about the commercial vehicles, it is 2,350,000 units. Means just imagine where is 417 in 8 and 9, and by 2021 we are expecting 2,350 only commercial vehicle sector. By that you can understand that what is the potential available in automotive sector. In addition to that, tractors 420 in 2009 and 10, it is reaching to 1,000 units. You can look into 2021. Where in case of 2 and 3 wheeler, it is huge amount. Of course, India is the topmost in the 2 wheelers development. In this case, 8,917 to reach it to 30,231,000, which are going to produce by 2021. Construction vehicles, of course, 42,180,000 by 2021. This source was taken not by me, it was from Society of Indian Automotive Manufacturers. Component industry turnover starting 7 and 8, $26.5 billion. It is expected by 2021 by 113 billion US dollars. And component industry exports starting from 3.8 in 2007 and 8 to 29 billion dollars in 2021. This is the expected one. Then what are the challenges for industry is that means which we are going to resolve by you people, generally by the automotive design engineers. What are the challenges from the market is that rising the customer expectation in the form of product features, quality and reliability. integration with the global markets, lowering the product life cycles, reduce the time to market for new products, threat of new competition. Of course, competition is day by day. There are many more companies are coming up. There is a definitely competition is there. Then stringent emission and safety regulations. Of course, there is no compromise on this particular thing. Even government is giving the stringent norms to follow this particular thing. A huge work is taking place on this particular thing and still taking place. Increase in input like the ferrous and non-ferrous metals, the price is increased, crude oil prices are increasing, natural rubber prices are increasing, including of is all these things you have to design and fabricate a car which is very competitive enough and affordable price and safety reliable and quality reliable. Then opportunities in India as a vibrant economy of India. You can see that largest democracy, 1.2 billion people, growing middle class is very high. That's why there is a possibility of increasing the purchase of the cars, especially in this growing middle class families. Then fastest growing economies. Then third largest investor base in the world, India. Robust legal and banking infrastructure. Demographics advantage. Mainly the India is a youth driven economy. Suburbanization and rural to urban migration. Now it is 80-90. Now it is 2020 by 140 and 2050 by it is expected by 700 million people. Highest number of qualified engineers in the world. Second largest pool of certified professionals. And investment in infrastructure India is very good. That's why in India in advance I am congratulating you becoming these cars designers, being a automotive designers for future cars. In advance I am congratulating you people. Okay, a small video. Okay, it's gone. 1 minute. I mean, so it's over, then they will ask the questions, then ask. They're asking me for the that email address. Where should I mention here? Yes, completed. Any questions you can ask to me. Okay, okay. Yeah, 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 no issue. They're asking for my email ID to post email ID. Where should I post it? Here? Where I have to post?
No, no. Click post your mail ID. Yeah, one card.
Okay, you can ask me questions, any doubts you have, any clarifications you wanted to have. Yeah, what the question is, what are the opportunities in MTech? Yes, in MTech or in MS program we have we have means in India there are courses MTech automotive engineering is there, and as well as in abroad, either Detroit side US or in Germany you have the very good opportunities available. Italian side is also Italy side is also very good opportunities available. Automobile is a very proved branch, nothing to worry about it. What is the salary figure starting from 3.5 to even 8 lakh per annum? The question is salary figure in this career. Of course, 3.5 to 8 lakhs. More than that also, that deserved by the candidate.
एक में क्वेश्चन पूछा था सर आपसे।
दो क्वेश्चंस आए।
अब बोल दीजिए।
Yeah, I answered. Yes, why not? It is valid for the all public service sectors. Question being that, is the degree provided by the UPS valid for applying for jobs in PSU? Yes, our students, even ICAT, which I mentioned, this International Center for Automotive Technology, is a pure government sector in which my students they are working, and they are judging these essay events also, like FE Cycle, Baha and all those things. Hence, need not to worry about it. What is the scope of the question being that from Mr. Siddharth Jain, what is the scope of this career and what we have to do after becoming the automotive design engineer? Very simple. There are three areas where you can look into the automotive industry. One is the designing side, you can become either design engineer. Otherwise, second one is the research and development side, you can become a research engineer. Or you want to be a production side, you can become a production engineer in assembly line. And materials everywhere starting from a OEM, original equipment manufacturers like Tata, Hyundai, Honda, BMW, all these companies to its suppliers, its vendors. different company like Bosch, Delphi. In every company, there is an opportunity for these automotive design engineers, starting from LML to the Mercedes bench. Wherever you wanted to be settled, you wanted to settle design as a design engineer, research, a research engineer, or production side, a production engineer, depending upon your interest. If you have any other clarifications, you can ask me. There is no issue. Okay. What are the hardships on this course? Can you clear your question? I'm not able to get a question. Can you once again? Hardships, there is no hardships if you work hard and smart. Not as the question by Mr. Siddharth Jain. Is it that designing of vehicle as well as the engine of almost every company is done in the foreign? Is it true? Somehow it is true, not essentially that all these things has to be designed in the foreign. Tata Indica is purely designed in India, including its engine to the vehicle. Everything is designed. Tata Nano is designed. Most of the cars they design in India itself, India also. Of course, for validation they will go for. They are approaching the different companies. But the designing is taking place in India also. Mr. Devanand P, can you repeat this? If I answered my your question, otherwise you can ask me again. There is no issue. Mr. Amar, the question is, which country offers the best jobs after this course? Can you describe the nature of work? Okay, for automobiles, the best is that Germany. It is Germany is the very best place. You can look into that. Wide variety of courses are there. Motorsport engineering is there. Automotive engineering is there. Automobile engineering is there. Vehicle engineering is there. Vehicle technology is there. There are so many courses are there in German engineering. Means in Germany, you can look into that in the website. All these courses are well valid and good enough to settle in very good companies. Nature of work that I told you, that either you may settle in the production side or design side or research side, or you can settle as an engineer. Being an engineer, you can settle in the ancillary parts also. Not essentially in the OEMs, you can also settle your job as in the ancillary parts also, in the automotive electronics side, vehicle informatics side. These areas also available in addition to the core automotive engineering. Even US also have good opportunities. Japan is also leading now. For automobile engineering, there is no such specific. Mostly German people will look for the maximum automobile engineering side. Otherwise, world everywhere the automotive industry is growing up because it's the status symbol of the person. Still you want to understand the nature of work, you can ask me, there is no issue. Okay, I am connected to Mr. Chirag. After doing this course, is there any need to pursue designing course for masters in automotive? Not essentially. If you've seen the placement record, most of our students got placed in the BTech level itself. Then not essentially you have to go for master degree until unless you are very passionate about your master's degree or PhD degree. Not essentially. That is upgradation of the course always can take place. It's good. But not essentially for you to get settled in the life. Not essentially you have to go for the master's degree. The BTech degree is enough, because that is that much a hot cake this course is. That's why not essentially you have to go for. If you are interested, passionate about it, you can go for the master's degree. Not essentially in the designing side, you can go for the material side, you can go for the dynamic side, you can go for the motorsport engineering, you can choose the informatronics side, you can choose the electronics side, automotive electronics side. You can choose the cloud computing, using of automotive technology in the cloud computing for data storage and all those things. You can choose any particular area, not essentially how to in the designing side. And another question, is car designing taught along with engineering in this course? Definitely. It deals with the engine, car, overall car stability, clutch, gearbox, different assemblies, propeller shaft, universal joints, tires, wheels, then axles, suspension, stability. Everything will be taught in the class. By that only you can be able to design what you call it as a Baja car, a Supra car, a Formula car. Then only you are able to design that particular thing. The next question is, how do I get to settle in such countries after this course? Of course, either by GRE TOEFL is the normal way. IELTS for Europe side, you can look into that, and with this degree you can directly jump into that master's course. Then Mayank, His drawing is very important for this course. So being an automobile engineer or a mechanical engineer or an engineer, the drawing is essential. That is not a big issue. Not essentially if you are not handy enough to draw this particular thing, you have the softwares available, you can look into that. It's not a big issue. Maybe Mr. Siddharth Jain, another question, is it good to do this degree in India or it is much better to do in an abroad? See, when we have the infrastructure, when we have the equal infrastructure as in abroad, why you have to spend lakhs of rupees in abroad? Why don't you use the Indian currency? Why don't you use with the minimum cost, you can be settled as a very good professional. You can, for masters you can go to abroad, there is no issue. The next question is, what is the scope of getting a job in the company such as McLaren? I am asking this is, there were no jobs offered by UPS by McLaren. See, that all depends on that, see, your profile, and the next is that how you decide about it. That not essentially you have to be in Ashok Leyland, Tata Motors and all those things. You can be, that there is no issue. That depends on your profile and how you develop your personality. Because for everyone the platform remains same, that how good you are developed yourself, the good personality that reflects you to either you choose the McLaren, otherwise Benz, otherwise some other cars. Do we have any future scope of this course in Canada? Yes, okay, no issue, you have. But compared to Canada, US and Germany, they have very good opportunities. Canada is not bad. Mr. Mayank, I am not clear about your question. I want to know what finance discount this course needs. That you can look into that by the admissions process only. I think you are asking for the what do you call it as fee structure. That will be delivered by the given by the admissions people only. I am not able to give you that particular thing. That you have to talk to them. Then comes to the Mr. Monil Shah. Which companies are there in the Canada? When I check it out in the internet, that is not a big issue. Automobile companies in the Canada, you can find out so many. What would be the average salary for the automobile engineers? They were of course I answered this thing. However, it is the range starting from 3.5 to 8. Let us assume 4 lakhs is the minimum to minimum average. A being starter in the training session. Yes, any other doubts? Yeah, from Mayank Finance, in the sense, apart from the fee, is there anything? Nothing is the finance in sense, this question from Mr. Mayank, the finance in the sense, apart from the fees, is there anything which we need to buy besides the books? Of course, only the books and your accommodation you have to take, lodging and boarding, and the fees, nothing, not more than that. No extra cost involved in anything. Mr. Devanand, yes, can this course be considered as a part of mechanical engineering? Mr. Devanand, these questions. Okay, see, either aerospace engineering, avionics, and automotive engineering, or automobile engineering, automotive design engineering, material science engineering, all these are the different branch, means the branch of mechanical engineering. Where in every course, the basic mechanical engineering course will be taught. This is, are any competitions held for designing a cars aesthetics by this institution? Yes, we have the styling and design competitions are there in our SE activities, and as well as how good your car is going to be judged by the Baha, Supra, Formula, because as I told you that given an example of Formula London, just recently we gone there in the business logic unit, we clear that particular thing, that reflects that how your vehicle design is there, how your vehicle looking like that. All these aesthetics will be definitely will be considered. The competitions are inside, the competitions are there, inside the university competitions are there. Also, you are eligible to participate in national and international levels also. There is a platform will be provided by UPS under SA India UPS College Club section. And further we have the aesthetics point of, we have the styling studios also available. We are offering by the School of Design Studies, where you have the Master's MDes, Master in Design, in Transportation Design, Product Design. There are different courses out there. We can take the help of them to in developing the aesthetics aspects also, if you are interested in the aesthetics. Hence, there is not a big issue. It is a very comfortable course. The question is being that if I opt for mechanical engineering, then I will be able to go for any field. But if I go for only for automotive engineering, there are less chances. So which would be better? Very good question. See that, Mr. Devanand, when you wanted to be passionate about the automotive engineering, there are wide variety, many number of companies are there. More than automobile engineering, means more than mechanical industries, automobile companies now they are coming up, because everyone wanted to have a car. In that case, industries now they are not able to spend time and money for a person to get acquainted with the automotive technology. The one who done the automobile engineering, they know the anatomy of a vehicle, the functions and parts and everything. That's why it is very easy to grab the automotive engineering guy compared to the mechanical engineering. And automobile engineering guy equally can work with the mechanical guy. Not essentially he will work only the automotive companies. He can work with the mechanical companies. He can work with the marine. He can work with aeronautical. He can work with avionics. He can work with wide variety of courses. Not essentially he will stick on to the automotive side. But the companies, automotive companies are looking for especially automotive guys. The reason being that for them, what you call it as they need not to spend the time and money for training them. directly they can adopt in the process itself. Next, Siddharth Jain. See, the question is from Mr. Siddharth Jain, what is the difference between mechanical with specialization in automation and automobile engineering? Automation and automobile engineering are two different streams. Automation is the part and parcel of the production system. A company in which the people who are working to develop, design the different processes, those are done by the robotics and all those things, that is called by the automation process. And automation process is a part and parcel of a production system that can be a part of the company. There is a lot of difference between automobile and automation. Don't get confused. Automation is the production side. Production of any particular bearing, automation. Production of a car, automation. But automobile engineering is entirely different. It's just a part of a company in the production side, automation.